Love the thrill of Scrabble, but, just don't have an hour to spare? Well, welcome to this explainer on Scrabble Bingo. If you're a beginner looking for a really fresh, super fast-paced take on a classic favorite, you are literally in the exact right place. Today, we're going to learn exactly how to set up and play a game that takes those familiar letter tiles you know and love and turns them into a rapid-fire race to the finish line. Let's get into it.
So forget about building those massive, interlocking, board-spanning masterpieces. Your ultimate goal here is laser-focused. You just need to be the first person to complete a single four-letter word across or down your personal board. Horizontal or vertical, honestly, it doesn't matter. It's short, it's sweet, and it is the exact finish line we're sprinting towards.
Now, setting things up is incredibly straightforward and kind of highly tactile, which is fun. First things first, you'll hand out random bingo cards. Each one has its own unique set of words to complete. Next, everyone flips their card and picks a side based on, whatever strategy they prefer. Finally, you just drop all those classic wooden tiles right into the bag and give them a really satisfying mix. And just like that, bam, the setup is totally done.
With the boards all set, the oldest player actually gets the honor of kicking things off. On your turn, you're going to reach into the bag and draw tiles exactly equal to the number of players at the table. So, 4 players, you draw 4 tiles. Slap them face up right in the center of the table so absolutely everyone can see exactly what's up for grabs. From this point on, gameplay is always going to proceed clockwise around the table.
Now comes the drafting sequence. And oh man, this is where the real tension builds. Starting right with the player who just drew those tiles, and moving clockwise, you get to claim one single tile from the middle. But there's a catch. It absolutely must match a letter on your specific card. Grab your match, lock it into place on your board, and boom, you are officially one step closer to victory.
But here's the million-dollar question, right? What happens if you're staring down at those center tiles and absolutely none of them match the blank spaces you desperately need to fill on your card?
Well, the answer is a bit tough. You're entirely out of luck. You don't get to place a letter, and your turn is completely skipped for that round. Yeah, you just have to sit back in lighthearted agony, watch your friends snag the tiles they need, and just hope the next draw goes your way. It can be a little frustrating, for sure, but it definitely keeps the game moving at absolute lightning speed. But hey, don't lose hope just yet. Blank tiles introduce a massive saving grace to the game. If one of these hits the center of the table during a draw, it acts as a total wild card. It magically becomes absolutely any letter you're missing to complete your word. Snagging one of these, it can instantly turn a potentially skipped turn into a massive, game-winning power move.
So, to wrap up a round, whether you've triumphantly drafted a tile or, unfortunately been skipped, the cleanup is lightning fast. You just scoop up any leftover unused tiles from the center of the table, toss them right back into the bag, mix them up, and pass the bag to the left. Just like that, the cycle starts fresh. The next player draws, and the draft begins all over again.
This intense, fast-paced tile drawing cycle repeats round after round, and the tension just keeps building. Finally, you slot that fourth and final tile into place to complete your word horizontally or vertically. And the exact moment you do, you must immediately shout the winning phrase, "Bingo!" It instantly stops the game and loudly claims your hard-earned victory.
With the mechanics mastered and the basic strategy clear, you are fully equipped for your very first match. It's incredibly accessible for beginners, but, as you can see, moves fast enough to keep absolutely everyone on the edge of their seat. So the only real question left to ask yourself is, who are you going to challenge first? Grab your tiles, round up your friends, and honestly, let the race begin. Will your vocabulary be quick enough, or will you be left waiting for that one perfect tile?